Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel once again. So today's video I'm going to be showing you guys another crocheted hairstyle that you can create by yourself. So I placed the cap on my head and I traced where I want my parting to go, and I put the wig cap back on the mannequin, and yeah, I just started working. And as I put it on, I was losing some line, so I just went back and the the tracing one more time. So I just went back do my regular crochet. And if you're not familiar yet, guys, go watch the previous videos of my in my channel to see how I create this cornrows. So now that I'm done crocheting the first one, I just went ahead to finish the rest of the hair, just one side of the hair. So as you can see, these ones are really tiny. I was trying to even go not tinier, but not too much cornrow at the side, but I don't know. I just end up with more than expected as usual. So as you can see, that is the last one. I'm just finishing that up. And yeah, guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, guys, please push the subscribe button down below and also push the bell button down below. So I just went ahead to seal the tip of the hair with a nail glue. Guys, you need to use the nail glue so that it can hold down, like it can seal the end for you. So after I did that, I went ahead to take each strand of hair to first of all like use a pin to pin it down. Then I continue to like just sew it down. And yeah, that is what I did. As you can see here, this is really easy. This was actually just created a base for me to sew my weave on, because I wanted to use a weave instead of a crochet. You can crochet it if you want to, but I wanted something like I wanted a weave. I always wanted to create this hairstyle. So I went ahead to sew that on, and as you can see, it's going to hold, and it's really simple, guys. This didn't actually take me, didn't take me long. I started on, let's say, on Saturday, Friday when I came back from work, and by Saturday afternoon I was like done. It didn't really take much of my time. And as you can see, I'm just finishing the last one there. And I didn't put, okay, so if you're looking at this video, you see that I didn't go all the way up, because when I didn't want it to be bulky, like bumpy at that part. So I just did up to that, it's like the middle of the, not the middle of the head. I don't know how to explain it. You get what I'm trying to say. So that is what I did. I didn't go take all that thing all the way, like the braid all the way. And yeah, as you can see, this was really very easy, and I was very happy the way it looked and turned out to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut the excess out, and I'm going to go ahead and just sew my weave on that cornrow. It just gives me like a wig cap, like a braided wig cap that I created myself. So I'm using that same method to sew in my weave. So I pin it down from ear to ear just to give me a guide, and I just went ahead and sew that right down. So just this part was just from ear to ear, and I'm going to show you guys how I did the front, and I'm just sewing it on. As you see, guys, it's just like you're sewing your hair to your braided to your braid. Um, yeah, just sewing your hair to your braid. With this here, guys, I believe I use two and a, no, almost three packs for this hair. I use a 18 inch, a 16 inch, and a little bit of a 14-inch and a little bit of a 12-inch for this hair. So let's just say I used about 3 packs to create this hair, and it turned out really, really, really pretty. You guys are going to see at the end of the video how gorgeous and pretty this hair looks on me, and I'm 100% sure it's also going to look great on you guys. So as you can see, now that I'm done, I'm just brushing the hair in, and there is a part left there, and the hair is really full, and I didn't want it to like bulky. So I'm just going to go and grab the hair and pin them down from one side of the ear to just the middle where the cornrow, where I started cornrowing. So this is going to give you that natural effect because you don't need to glue anything or anything. And yeah, as I did that, I went ahead and I sewed everything on. And at the top, I went instead of from ear to ear, I went from side to side, and I also sewed that in. And yeah, that is what I did with at this part. I hope guys I am explaining it properly. If not, you guys are can just watch this over and over again and you will understand what I'm trying to explain. So at the end, I went ahead and fold a piece of the hair, and you can use a glue to like fold it to hold it together, but I didn't want to use a glue. I just used my hand and I take a nail to sew that down. That was it's a little bit hard, but you know what? I prefer this method than the glue method. So, and I'm just taking that little ball that I have folded in, and I'm going to place it in the middle of the hair, and just that little middle that is left, and I'm going to sew it together. This was not hard at all. It was very easy, and yeah. So now that we're done, we're going to go ahead to start styling the wig. I brushed every the hair out properly, and as you can see, it was properly covered. There's nowhere you can see the middle part. And I took an iron and I flat ironed that out, and I went ahead to place that on my head. I also put a bag to hold it tight on my head, and I went ahead to just place that on my head and cut that excess lace out and make sure that everything was sitting right and tight on my head. So I'm just going ahead here and cut the excess lace out. As you guys can notice here, there is no baby hair. When I first when I first put the wig on, I was like, I don't know if I like it with baby hair or if I don't like it with baby hair. I wasn't sure, but after a while, I was like, oh, no, I need the baby hair to make it look natural, even though I was at first very apprehensive to put baby hair. But I'm like, no, it's going to look amazing, even more beautiful if I put the baby hair. So I just went ahead to use a curly one to coil it and style it a little bit, just a tiny bit. I didn't even curl the whole head. I just the front, and comb it out with the tiny comb. And yeah, see, as I was trying to get the baby hair out, I have no baby hair, guys. My baby hair is not that long, so I had to like take it down from my head and went ahead and crochet just a tiny bit of hair along the hairline. Guys, I was feeling myself. I was loving this wig. Yeah, I placed the baby hair on already, and I went ahead to just cut it out. I used the same hair like extensions that I use for the weave. I just cut it out and I just crocheted that in the edges, and I took the cut to do gel and I just gelled that all down. As you can see, I was really happy that I decided to put some baby hair because it makes it look even more beautiful and more like, wow. I was like, wow, I created this. It's actually, I love creating. I love doing my own wigs, and as you can see, it looks like I don't know, it looks really well. I like really good. I really love it, and I hope you guys love it too. That is all about this video, guys. I hope you like, I hope you subscribe, and please, guys, share with your friends and family. Leave a comment down below. Do you like this video? Would you recreate this video, this hairstyle? And if you do, please follow me on Instagram and Ivie.j underscore on Instagram, and send me your pictures. Let me see how amazing yours turn out to be. So that is all about it, guys. I hope you like, and I hope you guys subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye.